What is up, beautiful people? Welcome to my channel. I'm doing a review on this Dyson hair dryer today. Apparently it's like super duper expensive. It's about $400 and I want to know what all the hype is about. If you're interested in purchasing this, or maybe you already did and you're not getting the same results, maybe this video will help you, or let me know how it worked out for you. You guys are going to see on camera how this is because I have not opened it yet. I have not tried it out and I'm super excited.
Yeah. Bitch better have my money. Y'all should know me well enough. Bitch better have my money. Please don't call me on my blood. Pay me what you want me. Ballin' big.
I'm gonna try and make it quick because my hair is wet and I want it to stay wet so we can know if the blow dryer really works or not. So normally I just use this little Tresemme blow dryer to have this styling concentrator on there because it's really hard for me to do my hair if I don't have it. So yeah, I just use this little basic blow dryer. I'm sure it was like $25 and I've had this blow dryer for like 5 or 6 years. Now, before I get into the video of me actually using the blow dryer, I just want to show you guys I shampooed and conditioned my hair with these little keratin shampoos. So nothing special. These are just some shampoos from Raw, shampoo and conditioner, but it actually does make your hair feel really good. So it's called keratin and silk. No, I don't know, it just says keratin on it. So yeah, I just washed my hair with these. I do not use a round brush. I like to use my Denman brush because my hair, I cut it so short and the round brush is just kind of difficult. So I'm going to be using the Denman brush to go on my hair. I've already sprayed on some BioSilk leave-in conditioner off camera. And as I go part by part, I'm going to be using my BioSilk serum. Alright, so it comes in this fancy schmancy box right here. This is what it looks like. So it has clearly the blow dryer. It has a diffuser for all you curly headed girls. It has a styling concentrator. And I think this is a styling nozzle. I'm not sure, let me check. Yep, that's the styling nozzle. So it's all pretty and wrapped up all cute. I'm already a little bit disappointed opening this blow dryer because I feel like, you know, for this to be a $400 blow dryer, it should have the cord where you could press it and zoop, it zooms back up. But it doesn't have that. So, oh my goodness. It has this like power cord on there. I have no idea why. Maybe that's for the extra power. Apparently this blow dryer is supposed to be super duper bomb because it's like, it does no heat damage and it dries your hair in like way less time than a normal blow dryer does. So let's see if that's true. I'm going to go ahead and plug it up. The styling nozzle and then the styling concentrator are two different sizes, of course. I'm gonna go ahead and use the nozzle because I want more air so I can hurry up and do it. But if I was doing a round brush and my hair was still longer, I would probably use the concentrated one just to get that, just so I could get the nice little curl. So let me see, I guess it's magnetic, you guys. That's cute. Let me see if it comes off that way too. Is there a fancy way that this comes off? Oh no. Okay, you just pull it off. I didn't want to break it. I'm so scared. You guys, it's dope already. So here's what this side looks like. I believe it has the cold air, hot air, and then fan. And then the on and off button, of course, just like any other blow dryer. I'm going to go ahead and part my hair and clip it. I'm going to use some of my BioSilk. I just use a little bit because I don't want my hair to be all greasy and nasty. I want it to feel good and be flowy. So I'll put that in there and then I brush it out a little bit so that way I can make sure it's spread really evenly and good. And now I'm gonna blow dry. So I'm gonna leave the sound on for a second so you guys can hear it. So far, this is what we're looking like. And I will tell you guys one thing so far that I already noticed. I don't smell, you know when you blow dry your hair, it smells like a little bit burnt, but maybe not really. I don't smell nothing. I don't smell anything burnt. It feels so good and so soft, which I know my shampoo and my BioSilk contribute to, but still, I'm impressed already. Put a little more silk up in there.
Blow it up, that's how we fall out. That's how we fall out.
You guys, my blowout is complete. And I will say that, look at this. I'm really impressed at how shiny my hair is. So the box does say it's fast drying, no extreme heat, engineered for different hair types, helps protect natural shine, smooth, controlled styling, re-engineered styling attachments. So definitely protecting my natural shine. Definitely don't think that there was much heat damage because it still smells so good. It smells like my conditioner, shampoo, and my BioSilk. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair. That way I can show you guys the final result, weighing flat irons and straightening it.
Dollar bill, clubs and dollar bills. I got more money, trip clubs and dollar bill. Dollar bill, clubs and dollar bills. I got more money, trip is going up and down that pole.
Alright beauties, this concludes the video. I will say that, you know, it's feeling mighty nice over here. I did notice, I would say, it's lighter. I do have better shine, you know, it's a little more shiny than it normally would be if I use old blow dryer. And it didn't burn the shit out of my hair. So if you guys already copped the Dyson, leave me a thumbs up. And if you're thinking about it and this just confirms it, leave me a heart. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching this video. And I will see you guys in the next video.